Hey, what's up everybody? It's Stacey Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for entrepreneurs who want their content marketing to convert content consumers into paying customers. If you've been considering engaging in marketing and sales activity on the TikTok platform, and you're asking yourself the global question of why use TikTok for business, well, this is the video for you. I've been a business coach since 2013, and in more recent times, I've become very enthusiastic about TikTok. Yes, for marketing and sales-based efforts related to the more mature entrepreneurs' efforts, not just for tween and teen influencers. I've coached literally thousands of students who are using multiple business models, and I'm telling you, at the end of this video, I'll be sharing with you a perfect example of why now is the best time for you to get in on the TikTok action. Instead of waiting for the platform to somehow mature later on, you'll see why you're wrong. So hang out until the end and you'll see why. But wait, before we go any further, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get the help that entrepreneurs like you need to succeed with content marketing that drives traffic to your business so that you can do more business. Now, if you haven't watched my recent video, Can You Embed Links in a TikTok video? You should check that video out after watching this one, because in that video, I explain what live clickable links you'll have access to as an entrepreneur, as long as you have the right kind of account in the first place, what links are being beta tested and by whom, and what is coming down the pike for all of us, which is super great news. So if you missed that more recent video of mine, go back and check it out. But while you're here and you're wondering specifically about why use TikTok for business, let me explain. Your niche is already on TikTok. Seriously, they are. Even if they weren't before 2020, they're there now and in ever-increasing numbers. A more recent statistic said that 52% of all TikTok users are older than Gen Z, meaning they're adults, they have their own money, and a fair number of those adults are still upwardly mobile, including millennials and Gen X generations. Seriously, if you give the app a serious look, search on keywords or hashtags that are relevant to your niche, you'll likely be pleasantly surprised. Gary Vaynerchuk has said repeatedly in the past that you have to go where the attention is. And for Gen Y, Gen X, and even baby boomers increasingly, their attention is going to TikTok for up to an hour a day on that app alone, every day. That's just one reason why my answer is go for it when it comes to the question of why use TikTok for business. Your niche is there already, and you'll seem stale if you're not there at all, and they'd expect you to be. And if members of your niche don't know that your brand exists yet, they will be likely to discover your brand and your offerings. They'll do it a lot faster if you maintain a regular presence on TikTok. Easy brand awareness can be gained at levels you'd only dream of on Instagram or Facebook today. Ever regret that you missed the boat on being an early adopter on Facebook or Instagram? Well, TikTok is in that sweet spot where it's not too early and maybe the app will disappear. And it's not yet too late to get really good organic traction on the platform. And that's why I recommend that you stop turning up your nose at the app and start getting more active on the app and more savvy about using the app, which is why I think you should subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out all of the individual videos and or playlists that I have on my channel that can help you with TikTok marketing, not as a kid, but as an adult who needs to get the right kind of sales conversions for your business to succeed. I've got you covered. Proper optimization is key. Like I said a moment ago, adults aren't just on the app. They use the Discover feature at the bottom of their screen on TikTok to look up keywords and hashtags having to do with content that interests them, just like they do on Instagram. So this is how you leverage discoverability on the app. You don't just randomly post content about you dancing or doing goofy things. You deliver short, well-optimized videos that deliver tips, tricks, techniques, or advice having to do with what I call the intersecting interest that would bring an ideal customer to a business like yours. Your videos can star your products for sure, or you could just talk shop, and your video viewers can get to know, like, and trust you as someone who understands them and their problems and or their desires. People buy from those they like. They buy from businesses that they trust, and Gen Y and Gen X are open-minded enough to support small businesses like yours, so go for it. This is a big reason why you'd want to use TikTok for business, as in right now. But here's a warning. Don't be directly salesy. Now, I'm not saying this will always be the case, but for now, in this snapshot of time, while this video is being shot live, you're better off creating those tip, trick, technique, or quick advice videos that are anywhere from 15 seconds long to up to now 3 minutes long on the TikTok app. Yes, those videos can showcase your products and or services. No, don't say this is on sale or jaw away about your limited time offers. At least not right now. The corporate culture on the app can change over time like it did on Instagram, and then you'll be fine. But for now, showcasing your products in action, showing how they're made, giving some fun and lighthearted tips about how to solve a problem, starring your product without perhaps being overtly salesy can work wonders. I have many students who get sales all the time from people citing to TikTok videos of theirs, which again, we're not seeing anything like buy now or limited time offer or anything like that. I have many students who will have people reach out to them in the messages on TikTok and ask questions about whatever was showcased in the tip, trick, technique, or advice video, and eventually a sale is closed right there in the messages. Seriously, this stuff works, all without being directly salesy based in terms of like the organic content. This is why you'd use TikTok for business all day long. You can't deposit followers in the bank, but you can sell very well to people who get on your email list. Make sure your email opt-in link is in that bio of yours to capture those leads. And like I just said, you can make sales via the messages on TikTok or otherwise off app all day long. Now, here's my story that I promised you. If you look at my biggest client, Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill, they're a food influencer on TikTok with, as of this snapshot in time, over 750,000 fans or followers on the app. They certainly have people travel to their establishment to buy from them who cite to the videos they put out on the app. Some people travel a long way to get there too because their socks are so knocked off. But of course, when it comes to food service establishments, it's kind of hard to ship your goods worldwide. It could get kind of gross shipping a hamburger overseas. You know what I mean? But they've gotten such a huge loyal fan base of foodies that now they've had a ton of requests via message to put out merch or merchandise like t-shirts and hats that, guess what? They're going to, do that now, and that's going to give them an extra income stream besides what they're already making via TikTok ad revenue that gets shared with them as a creator and an influencer on TikTok. If that doesn't convince you about how people don't like to be sold to on TikTok, but they are so very ready to buy, then what will? Come on, use TikTok for your business, and in time, especially if you take the advice I otherwise give you on my YouTube channel, you'll see why I'm so enthusiastic in terms of recommending that you market on the app right now. There you have it. This is my answer when it comes to the question of, can you sell on TikTok today? Need more help? Be sure to check out these two awesome videos too, because they'll teach you great content marketing strategies that can also help to blow up your business. Enjoy.